Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do custom stickers and DIYs. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we are going to be trying out something new, which is a chaos technique, especially with the colors that we're going to be using. Because we're going to be using the leftover paint we got from the primary color triptych painting. So I know it will create a whole lot of colors and it's going to be very unpredictable because we've got red, yellow, blue, plus silver, gold, turquoise, and white. So if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Alright, so we got a few paints left from our previous pour, and I got here a 10 by 14 that I already brushed with titanium white. So first off, I want to see how these colors mix, and we're going to be doing a chaos technique. And basically I got here my white, so since this is very pigmented, I'm just going to do a little bit of red. Let's do some silver. I'm literally just doing this very randomly. Trying to fill all the gaps. Then it's turquoise. We got no more white left. See if we can still get something, squeeze something out of this. Okay, that's that. Now, that's too high. Shit! My blower stopped working again. don't like that shit. Nope, I really don't like that shit. I don't like this one. Don't like it. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mav. You know, have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye!